Then now, let's come to if somebody, as we are having this section, somebody's listening to you and would like to go into this kind of business, or somebody is out there and is thinking about what kind of business to go into. Maybe the person's a graduate, the person's in the house, not working for some time now. I know people are in the house for more than 10 years now, they've not gotten a job. So I want us to talk about the budget range. If somebody wants to go into this kind of business, well, what do the person need to do?
The first thing you need to have is your phone.
Your phone?
If you have a phone, you have limitless opportunities. Like, the world is at your feet. You don't need any money. I didn't start with any money.
No. Wait. Take it slow. This is the second time I'm hearing this. You don't need money to start a business.
You don't.
You don't need money.
You don't.
You need only what?
Your phone.
Your phone.
I started this business with my phone.
With your phone?
Yes.
With 0 CDs or $0?
With my phone.
How did you start it? With a phone?
Social media. I downloaded pictures with the bridals.
Okay. So you went to the site?
I went online looking for international companies that sell gowns.
Okay.
So I contacted them and they were good. I tried with my own one dress and it came and it was perfect.
Okay.
Yes. So what I did was download. They gave me pictures.
Okay.
So I created a platform, a group, a page on Facebook.
Okay.
And I advertise the pictures there. So if you are interested in buying,
so you book. Okay.
What I do is my own. I don't really do much of already made.
Okay.
It is made to fit with your detailed measurements.
Okay.
You get it.
Okay.
So then you pay half payments.
Okay.
That is what I used to order the gown.
So you don't use even you. That means you didn't even use your money, or you did not even use a capital. You advertise, the person sees it and have interest in it, do part payment, 50% part 50%. Payment, then you order.
Yes.
When it comes, the person does the remaining 50%.
Yes.
Then you clear your debt.
Yes.
You take your profit.
Yes.
What a smart move. Okay, my viewers, you've heard Madam Ellen.
Yes.
And she's just giving you the gist of how to start any form of business. So can we apply this to any form of business?
Oh yes, and I'm doing it with the fabric too.
Really?
Yes.
So you didn't put any capital into it. You only took pictures as in stock.
No.
So could it be that you could have a business which is very mobile? Like, even let's say you don't have a car, you have a bag. So all you need is a phone, take pictures, and advertise it. So when somebody needs it, then you go in you have connections with suppliers.
Yes.
Then customers.
Yes.
So I place the order, I get the item for you, you do payment, I take my profit.
Yeah.
How did you get this knowledge from? Where did you get this knowledge from? Is it from the school?
I think it is.
You think it is? But in the natural resource management, where do they teach this?
Well, this one is, can we say common sense?
Common sense.
Yes.
So you don't need certificates to.
No. You don't need certificate to know this. You don't need certificate to know this.
So somebody who is in school right now, let's say the person is in first year. What business can the person can they do business whilst they're in school?
Yes, they can. Oh, I had a lady in UCC who started doing business when she was on campus. And now she has completed and she's doing her business. It's booming. This buying and selling.
So is it good we go to school?
Yes, education is good.
It's good.
It makes you become literate. You can read and write.
Okay.
And understand basic things. That is all what we need. Then the rest, you apply home knowledge and common sense.
So not necessarily you have to go to school and go and look for a job.
If you want to look for a job, that is you. But the system that we are in, getting a job is very difficult.
It's very difficult.
So
you
before
have
you
to
get
create.
out of school, think about something to do.
So whilst you're in school, think about what you want to do.
Yes, look for opportunities, because there are a lot of opportunities around us. A lot of them.
Wow. But recently, there is this guy who was looking for a job. He was not getting, so he has to write his qualification on this black card and stand at the street. You heard a story.
Yeah. And it worked for him.
It worked for him. So, but it's not everybody that can go through that situation.
Yes, and it's not everybody that it will work for.
Okay.
You can try it and see. You will stand in the sun.
So the sun beats you down.
Yes. And
wow.
Business too is good. It gives you the freedom. You get time for yourself. And for other, you can still be working and still be doing business. Too,
okay.
As I did.
Okay.
Yes.
So now, is it because you study natural resources, but you find yourself in more or less like a marketing business or marketing sector where you buy and sell? Now, there is this gap in the education and the industry. Many people finish school and they are hungry for a job. Is the school lacking this gap where they are not able to synchronize students to start being creative of how to set up themselves before, after they finish school, and they finish and they are in the house?
I think it depends on the kind of course you study. Because I told you I studied natural resource.
Okay.
But it will surprise you that this entrepreneurial skills, I learned it also from natural resource, the department. They taught entrepreneurship.
Okay.
So I picked a lot, some setting up a business, those things. I picked 1 or 2 things from there. So the school, in a way, it is not 100% giving us
guarantee that when you finish you are getting the job straight.
No. It is just to equip you for the outside world.
So just to get you
so
exposed.
it doesn't mean that because you are studying natural resources, when it come out, I have all my mates, most of them have diverted. Doing a lot of things, different things altogether.
So if I should understand you, the course you read does not really matter.
It is just a stepping stone.
So after school, whatever you do to survive in the world is your own decision.
Yes.
Not the school decision.
You shouldn't
not
think
the course
that I've studied this, so what does by hook or crook I have to fit in? No.
No.
No.